I wonder what Ralph will think when I write that you've married a Protestant.
What difference does it make? I'm doing what he wanted, aren't I? Mum, I'd really rather that you didn't write. I'll send Father Ralph a letter about it as soon as we're settled in Queensland.
All right, if you prefer. The minister's going. I'd best go down.
I'll miss you, Meggie. Now, if you don't stop, you'll have me crying as well, and how will that look? Oh, I'm a silly old goose. It's just that Queensland seems so far away.
Well, it's not forever, and I'll be home to visit. It's just that Luke can earn so much more cutting cane in Queensland.
Yes. I suppose that means you'll be able to buy your own sheep station that much sooner.
That's right. Just think, I'll have a new home of my own to take care of, and I'll have children one day. Just got to have something of my own. Something real that I can care about.
Meggie, darling.
And I need Luke. He's not one of those complicated men who'll always be wanting something more than he wants me. Luke loves me, Mrs. Smith. Truly he does.